If that thing scratched my car, I know something, bro. We in Beverly Hills!
Shut up, baby. I pull 3 up, got a 4-4 for that 5 for the promo. Need to slow down, hold up, whoa, bro. Lean in a nigga cup, got me moving slow. I'm in the crew right now, it's kinda hard for me to go slow.
What's good, YouTube fam? It's your boy Buggy Beats, aka Buggster Worldwide, and I'm back with another special video, man. If you're new to the channel, come join Buggy Gang. Hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Turn the post notifications on, man. But yeah, y'all come here. As y'all can see by the title of this video, man, I'm gonna be going to the worst review car wash in my city, man. I pulled up the reviews right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show y'all the reviews. I'm gonna read them to y'all. Let me turn my screen record on so y'all can see exactly what they said about this car wash. But before I even get to that, take a look at my car. Alright, so as y'all can see, I have not washed my car in probably, I don't know how many months. You can see the rims are dirty. The back, I got scratched up right there, as you can see. I don't know if that can even come off, but we'll see. But here, look, let me get straight into these reviews, man. So look, this one right here, 1 star. So overall, they have a 2-star rating at this car wash. So right here, they said, I still haven't received a phone call back or a refund of $7 I lost in the machine. They act like it's cool to burn people. I went there again today and used the wash bay on the far right. This one actually works, the other one doesn't, the one that took my money. So I'm like, okay, so they stealing people's money now. Okay, look, you can see right here, man, this 1 star. Waste of money despite the owner. Went there on a Tuesday, been trying to call, that number didn't work. Equipment damages car. Oh yeah, look. What you think, Jay?
$7.
I mean, but the other car washes be like 3.
Courtney, you want to do this video?
Man,
I don't know what to say.
Look, I'm doing this video for y'all. Y'all pray, y'all like and comment and subscribe. Y'all put the prayer emojis in the comment section, because I don't know if it's going to damage my car any more than it already is. So come on, let's go. Yeah, man, look, we got to drive 4 hours away. I mean, I'm tripping. 4 miles. 4 miles. 4 miles. 4 miles. 4 miles. Alright, y'all, as you can see, we just pulled up to this car wash. I'm kind of skeptical about this, but you know,
nobody is here.
Nobody is here. You gotta go through an auto car wash. Look at these prices. Come and get close to these prices. Ultimate $10 right here, $9, $8, and then $7. I'm going with the basic because I'm not about to waste my money on no $10.
This
thing.
looks sketchy as
look, come take a look. Come take a look. Look at this.
Look, nobody's
here. Look at these.
This is right. This look broke.
This part look broke.
I think this is broke. Whatever.
Oh, look.
Oh gosh.
Look, y'all. Once again, y'all say a prayer for my car. It's the only car I got right now. I don't got the Jeep yet. So y'all pray that I can go in and out of this car wash. At least at this point, I don't even care if they're washing my car. I just want to make it through there. So y'all come on. Let's go see what we do. Alright, so look, here go my $7. Man, I'm gonna pray over $7. I'm scared. I don't even know if it's gonna take my money.
Wait, select item.
Hold on, where we go? Yeah, hold on. What? Do you even press? I think you just, make selection.
Oh.
You have selected the basic car wash. Please deposit $7.
Oh,
bro.
Come on. Trying to take my money.
That's your own fault.
No, it ain't. Look, man, they can't even take our money. Okay, it took.
See, you just don't know what to do.
Oh, okay. Wait.
Okay, $1. Okay, where?
If you would like a receipt, press refund now.
You don't want a receipt? Okay, y'all.
For your purchase.
All right, here we go. Look, here we go.
Alright.
What am I supposed to do? Do I?
I think you
I
have
gotta
to.
fold in mirrors. Fold in my mirror. All right, y'all ready?
Yes. Yeah, what is this? Okay.
Look at this. Get this. Look at this piece of junk.
It's
It
not even
says
doing anything.
pull forward.
Yeah. I don't think it's gonna.
What?
It's not doing anything.
Wow. Did I just waste $7? Y'all, look at what I... Bro, do y'all see this?
Nothing is moving.
This thing ain't even working. What? Oh my God, I just gave him free 7...
Oh! Say
Look.
stop.
Oh,
Oh, what? Okay, you got to back up.
what?
What?
Y'all, look at this.
Wait a second.
Oh
It's
my
washing
God.
now. You pulled
It's-
forward too much.
But it was telling me to keep going. Wow.
Oh, okay. Hold up. It's coming.
Is it coming up? Oh, now it's coming up.
I was about to say.
Y'all, let me see. Y'all, I can't even believe what's going on right now.
I was about to say.
Yeah, look. I thought that they was about to finesse me and not even do anything. But, look. Oh my gosh, bro. I got scared. I ain't gonna lie. I got scared for a second.
I don't think it's.
Is that the end?
I think that's the end.
Hold on. It's gotta rinse it off.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I was about to say it's gotta rinse it off. Y'all, I don't know about this
We're
car.
going to the vacuum over there to see.
I'm not putting no money in that vacuum.
You don't want
Okay. We're gonna see exactly how good this thing cleans. Bro, I got scared, man. I got super scared. Alright, y'all, so I think that's the end. I don't know. Is it gonna come back around one more time? We don't
I
look.
think it's getting back.
Oh, it's coming back up again. Oh, what?
It's going really hard.
If that thing scratched my car, I know something, bro. That thing is kind of hard. And so if that scratched my car, I tell you what, they gonna hear it from me. No, for real. Going back over it again. What? Don't tell me I gotta back up out of here. Oh, I was about to say. Cause you can't even see the. Oh, never mind. It's moving now.
I'm sorry.
No, yeah,
Probably
this.
the worst car wash. It just looks shady. That's probably what it
I
is.
see exactly why they said this car wash.
Look, wait,
is
we're gonna
the
see when we get out.
2.0 out of 5 stars, the worst one in our city, man. Because number one, nobody is here. Number two, like it just look old and shady.
They
Like,
do look old and shady. Nobody's here.
okay, now
Okay, pull forward
Okay.
the dryer.
pull forward for dry. Oh, whoa,
Yeah.
that wasn't me.
You mean that wasn't you? Your foot wasn't on the gas.
Pull forward for dryer. Where's the dryer?
Right above you.
So this is the dryer.
Courtney, you just left.
It wasn't no dryer.
There was a dryer right above.
Look, I'm just gonna let it air dry. Alright, y'all, so look what it did to my car, bro. It didn't do nothing.
Not one bit.
Like,
Well, I mean,
it kinda, look, I mean, I don't think no, it didn't do that to my car, no, it didn't do that.
I know it didn't.
It didn't clean my, I don't think it cleans the rims. Yeah, it's pretty,
I mean,
it's not bad, but it is not worth $7. I could have did this with my hand. What you think? I could have done this with my hand, couldn't
I
I?
watch my own work.
Heck no. Alright, y'all, so that is the end of this video, man. Look, this car wash was not worth $7 at all. As you see where we at, man, this is just, this place is skeptical. There's nobody here, man. These machines look old and dusty. I thought they were gonna take my money, but overall, I'm just happy that we made it out. So once again, man, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notification on, follow me on all social media at Buggy Beats. Come join Buggy Gang. We're going up. Let's get it.
Shout out Buggy Beat.
Buggy be my best friend.
She know